guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm Premium Box. So let's get into it. A little disclaimer that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. Okay, so first opening up this month's box, we have the product card. And this month's theme is Be My Glamantine. Okay, so the first product in this month's Boxycharm Premium Box is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Palette. And you guys, can we just talk about this palette, how stunning it is? So gorgeous. Love the packaging, and it's even more gorgeous on the inside. So pretty. It has been dipped into because I did use this today on my eyes. Such a pretty palette. I'm so in love. The Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Palette retails for $67. Next in this month's box, we have the Aceology Rose Quartz Massager. And you guys, this is such a beautiful massager. So it comes with a little dust bag. And then when you open it up, there it is. And it is a real rose quartz massager, and it just fits in the contours of the face so nicely, and it's cool to the touch, which means it's really going to depuff the face while it boosts radiance, blood flow, all that good stuff. The Aceology Rose Quartz Massager retails for $45. Next, we have the Christophe Robin Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist, and this is going to really enhance the hair's texture and provide a lift in the root for a more volumized look. The Christophe Robin Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist retails for $39. Next, we have the Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night Eyeshadow Primer. And this eyeshadow primer has a sheer tint and a lightweight, non-creasing formula. I actually have this on underneath my eyeshadow today, and as you can see, it did not take away from any of the color at all. The Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night Eyeshadow Primer retails for $18. Next, we have the Vike Beauty Makeup Melt, and this is a gentle oil-free makeup remover spray. And on the product card, it says that this has 4 key antioxidants to nourish the skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. The Vike Beauty Makeup Melt retails for $24. Last but not least, we have the Uoma Beauty Badass MF Lip Liner. And this is in the shade Angelou. And I actually have this on my lips today, and it's so pretty. I love the packaging on this lip liner. It says, a badass is opposite of a dumbass. Let me just swatch this so you guys can see how buttery this goes on. So pigmented. The Uoma Beauty Badass MF Lip Liner retails for $16. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm Premium Box. Let me know in the comments below which product was your favorite. Boxycharm Premium is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to get goodies delivered to your front door every single month. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color, you guys. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.